Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to easily change batteries inside of your remote on Hutt DDC5. So first what we have to do is go over, now take the remote and take off the cover. Here we need to get those batteries out. So here we have those little spacings. Here put your finger and try to take them off. It works both ways, so make sure to change that. Now all we have to do is just get the second pair of batteries. I got it from the same company. So now let's just put them here, and after that all we have to do is turn the robot on and the remote will work. So that'd be it. If this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and leave a comment if it did. Bye.